Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxy. For those of you who are new, today I'm getting slayed by Stush Creations as usual. I decided to get my hair done so I can feel cute again. As you guys can see, my hair is growing out, so it's in a really awkward state. So I decided to take on a wig that is sponsored by Nadula Hair. And I've worked with Nadula Hair in the past, and they are very consistent. They ship quickly, and their wigs are good quality. So I decided to get a 5x5 lace closure wig. And this wig is in 24 inches. And it was originally a body wave. But after the plucking and the bleaching, and then obviously all the waves fell out, which is okay because typically when we do body wave or get body wave here, we end up curling it anyway. So Stush started me off with a ball cap. She did the ball cap method for me, of course. She bleached and plucked the wig so perfectly, which is why I enjoy coming to get my hair done, because it's always a hit. It's never a miss, and I don't have to worry whether the wig or the style is gonna come out, you know, looking good. And also it saves me a lot of time. Usually when I'm at home, I have to do my setup, make sure the kids are, you know, quiet or away. But this is like just time for me to relax, you know, get catered to in such a short period of time. And also it saved me so much time that I had time to go and get my nails done. So this day was a day for myself, so I can feel pretty and kind of like reset. So I'm super grateful for this. And on top of that, Stush is actually one of my friends, so you know, we get to hang out, laugh, catch up, you know, tell each other like what's been going on. And most importantly, just laugh and be around people that are like motivating you or doing the same things that you are doing, so we can kind of bounce ideas off of each other. With the 5x5, you do have an option of doing like a side part, but I opted for a middle part because I really wanted like a classic, you know, look with the waves, as you guys are going to see at the end. Also, the attention to detail when getting your hair done. There's certain steps that are being done here that I wouldn't necessarily do because, you know, I just don't know any better. So the look just ends up coming out a lot more clean. So I can really appreciate this. She did ask me if I wanted to do a no baby hair look, but I decided to go with baby hairs, especially because you can see the wefts on each side of the lace because it's a 5x5, and I wanted to make sure that that part was covered. Guys, look at the hairline and how natural it looks and how much it blends so well with my skin. I don't know what she did or what she put on it, but everything is just turning out so nicely. But she also says that I work with really good companies and I always bring her good hair. So I don't know. The hair, it was so long, and I was convinced that it wasn't a 24 inch. She was even thinking that it was maybe like a 26 or 28 inch. We ended up doing some nice barrel curls, and this curling iron that she has was so hot. She was recommending that I actually get one, and it curls the hair so beautifully and so quick. It saves you so much time because it's like really hot. But if you guys know what curler this is, let me know. It's very common and I see it in a lot of videos, but I'm gonna ask her as well. Stush is known for giving some nice, soft and fluffy baby hairs. I love her fluffy baby hairs because it's not super hard and crunchy, and it's very soft and just very feminine. She did go in and add some layers to the very front, which makes such a big difference for the style and the overall look. As you guys can see, I was definitely feeling myself, and this was even before she combed out the curls. So she did take a wide tooth comb and she just stretched everything out, smoothed it out, made it look soft and natural. and just nice and flowy. Guys, I couldn't stop smiling. I was feeling so cute. I was feeling so nice. I didn't even know what to do. I had nowhere to go, guys. Not one place. So of course we took pictures for the thumbnail and Instagram. But guys, look at the overall look. I feel so pretty. I feel cute, and I got my nails done that day, so nobody could talk to me, okay? And the great thing about the 5x5 closure is that when it's time for me to take it down and then put it back on, it's gonna give such an easy install, especially for a glueless look. Once again, thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want details to this unit, check out my description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.